Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, May 4th, 2025. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. So, jobs numbers came in better than expected on Friday. That sent the futures flying, and this is what I put in the morning notes, is that the bulls responded quickly, driving the S&P futures up 52 points. And all eyes were going to be on yesterday's highs, meaning that if we took those out, we'd probably see a steady grind higher up to the 5,700 level. If strength continued, one thing that I said, I wasn't sure if the strength was going to erase the current sell signals on the 60-minute chart. So 5,700, let's take a look. That's pretty much exactly where we made it up to, 5701, and we closed down about 14 points after that. But in any case, this is one of the reasons why I've been saying really since it was on April 7th that this is it was a very important low, and you need to take your bear's hat off, and we're probably going to grind up, and I said I wouldn't be surprised to see us make it all the way back up to the 5,700 or 5,800. Well, here we are. So we still have the sell signals. They didn't really disappear on Friday with the big move, but it's still, I'm on the side that we have a couple more weeks left of, well, maybe not a couple more weeks. Let's just say another week or so of strength. And being we're up at these levels right now, I'm guessing it's going to be somewhere up at the 5,800 level. This is going to be some important resistance right here, and that's going to be the 5774. So this is, if the bulls can get above this, then there's really not a whole lot until we get back up into the 5,900 level. So I'm believing that if we come up to these levels, this has been my target really all since the lows in April. So we're here now. I believe that we're going to make it up to one of these levels, either the 5774 or the 5800. And from there, that's where I believe we're going to come down and test these lows, just when everybody gets really, really bullish on this market. And just like they were extremely bearish on the market here, this is when you want to be buying. And we're starting to see people getting extremely bullish on this market. And that's when you want to start being cautious and taking some profits, especially if you got into those quantum stocks. I sent something out Friday to our fund members on it that I was recommending the quantum stocks to get, and some of them are up 50-60%. So you start locking in profits right now. You wait for the pullback, and when everybody's panicking, that's when we want to start buying again. So I still believe that we have some more upside left. Like I said, that 5775, 5800 makes perfect sense to get up there. We do have sell signals, so we have to remain cautious up here. But if we do get a pullback, I'm probably thinking it's only going to go close this gap right here, and then probably make it up, and we're just going to really stay up here for the next 10 days or so. On the 15-minute chart, we have sell signals as well. So again, we don't want to go into this market extremely bullish. We want to be cautiously bullish, like I've been saying, using dips to buy, and really just watching the time period. Because once we get into the second week in May, that's when I'm believing that the top is going to be in, and we're going to be having a much deeper retracement than some people are worried about. So right now, support-wise, you can see 56.57 level, and then we come down to the 55.95, and then the gap close here is 55.83. And then the upside, 57.17, and then we're going to go up to the 57.40, and then we're going up to the 57.75, 57.90 level. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.